Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to give vitamin K to newborns. It's crucial to understand why this is a standard practice. Newborns are born with very low levels of vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting. Without it, they are at risk for a rare but serious condition called vitamin K deficiency bleeding, or VKDB. This video will guide you through the importance and methods of administration, ensuring your baby receives this vital protection. Vitamin K plays a critical role in producing clotting factors in the liver. Babies don't have enough of this vitamin at birth because it doesn't cross the placenta well, and their gut hasn't yet developed the bacteria needed to produce it. This deficiency can lead to a life-threatening condition called vitamin K deficiency bleeding, which can cause bleeding in the brain or other organs. A single dose provides crucial protection. The most effective and recommended way to give vitamin K is through a single intramuscular injection, typically given in the baby's thigh. This method ensures the vitamin is fully absorbed and provides immediate, long-lasting protection. While oral vitamin K is available, it's less reliable due to variable absorption and requires multiple doses over several weeks, which increases the risk of missed doses and potential deficiency. Many parents have questions about the vitamin K injection. Rest assured, it is very safe, and serious side effects are extremely rare. The brief discomfort from the injection is minimal compared to the significant protection it offers against VKDB. Healthcare providers often suggest comforting your baby with skin-to-skin contact or breastfeeding immediately afterward. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.